Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make double chest in Minecraft. So first you need some planks, so you can get them from the trees. You need like 4 or 5. Let's quickly get it. Maybe like 2 more and then 1 more. So after that just convert them into the planks. In here you need to just place your crafting table, right click, and then make your chest like this, and then you just need to make one more, and then get one, get the another one, and then now you can just place your chest like this, and then place the other one right beside that, and then here we go, now you have a double chest. So this is how to make double chest in Minecraft. See you guys in the next tutorial.